if you're having problems with the direction of your putts, there's going to be one or two things that's happening. Either the club face isn't quite square, or your putter path is not right. So if we take a look at the putter path, because that's something you can work on your own, is that what we'd obviously ideally like to see in an ideal world, the club would swing absolutely straight back and through. Unfortunately, we're not machines, we're people, so what we actually recommend you to do is to swing the putter slightly on the inside coming back, and then when you're going through, absolutely straight. Now that's going to help you because it gives you a certain curve to your putter, which is much easier than doing it straight, and by moving it back on the inside, you're going to not lift the club quite so much in the air, so you're going to be able to give your ball a much better roll. So inside and then down the line.